Hi my loves, welcome to another YouTube video. My name is Vivy Mutheu. If you are new here, welcome to the family. If you're not new here, tuendelee watch videos. Yeah, I am so happy to have you. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. As you've seen from the title of this video, I am going to be doing this crochet locks that I got from Natural Hair Kenya. I used 5 packs, and as you can see, my head it's full. The volume is amazing. Look at those locks. They literally look real, right? Honestly, at some point in time, I'm going to get locks, genuine ones. But let me not ramble on too much because I want to share all the details. Let's get straight into this. Yeah? Let's get straight into this video. Okay, so first things first, of course, I prepped my hair for protective style, and now I'm just going to braid my hair because I decided to not do the single matutas. I wanted to do lines and see how that works and if it takes more hair or not. So of course, do you see what I'm using? The edge brush, the one I'm using to apply my molding wax. I'm actually selling those. If you're interested, comment down below or DM me on my Instagram at Vivy_Mutheu and we can talk all about it. Sawa sawa. So I do not know how to braid, you guys. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. But I decided to try it out and see my luck. Now I look like I'm doing good, yeah. But as you can see, I was struggling a bit, which is normal. I didn't cut out that part because you need to see that we also struggle sometimes with these styles. So eventually I got the hang of it and I did it pretty well. Now you want to make sure your hair is stretched for this because when you're pulling and tagging at your hair like I can see I'm doing, I really got a bad headache after this. So please make sure you stretch your hair, make sure your hair is detangled, and you're good to go. Also, you don't need to dye. If you don't know how to do this, you can get this done at a salon for just 100 bob or 150, and it's in less than 20 minutes, you're in and you're out, and you can come and put in your crochet locks easily. Okay, so I'm done with this one. As you can see, I liked how it turned out. It was even, it was neat, and it looked good. I went ahead and did my whole head. As you can see, the back of my head, I did flat twists because your girl cannot braid down up. I used my latch hook to just, I'm going to use that to put in the crochet locks. This is how the locks come in looking. They're divided into 2, 10, 10. So every pack has 20 pieces of locks. So you will need to know how many you used. I used 5, so that's 5 times. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's get into this. So for your hairline, you're going to need to be very gentle. Don't pull too much. Just pull it. There is no rush. And now for this pattern, to show you that I'm still using my latch hook to pull through the other end of my braid. Now these braids come pre-looped for you, so thank you very much. That gets the job easily done. And then you just pull through and you're done. You're ready to go. I mean, how easy was that? Honestly, this was really easy. If it wasn't for the braiding my own hair, I would have been done a long time ago. And now let me just come closer and show you again. Pull through, just as I'm still in the pre-looped part, pull the end of the braid again, put it through my crocheting tool. Yep, I did struggle a bit. I had not gotten the hang of this just yet, but I eventually did. Pull it through the pre-looped section and you're good to go, and just be gentle. Remember, be gentle, especially on your hairline. Now I'm just going to show you how I pack up my braids. So do you see that space in between? That's where I want the other braid on the other line to fall through so that my hair looks full and it doesn't look like there are any spaces in between. So that's where I went ahead and put my other braid. As you can see, the process is the same for each one. Yeah, just be gentle. Again, once you've filled your entire head, you can go on parking the little spaces that you can see, and you can decide how heavy you want it to be. So yeah, let me go ahead. So this is how the hair looks. This is 5 packs of hair. The hair is super, super light. It's amazing. I feel like it looks like real dreadlocks. I don't know. Niambieni. Inakaa hivyo. But it looks really good. I have had this hair for a while. You can reuse it again and again and again. Because I used lines instead of matutas like the first time. If you've seen my videos, I always do the small sections first, the matutas. But this time, it actually used more braiding hair when I used this style. So if you want less, of course, use matutas. But yeah, that's how it looks. Imagine hakuna kitu ingine. This is such a short video. That's it. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming back. Tell me down below. Give me hairstyle suggestions that I can try. And I will be back with another video next Tuesday or Monday. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to love you and leave you. Have a good day ahead. Bye. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.